There it is. Keith's bashing shit.
I report this shit get real.
Shit get real in the field.
Shit get real.
Alright.
It ain't do what I wanted it to.
That shit ain't smack.
We here though. Check the scoreboard, we here.
Damn.
I'm supposed to be miles per hour though.
Facts. Oh.
He said that don't matter.
Damn, I needed that. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I needed that. Right on, real. Right on. Damn. That's that sunrise. Smacks up. Oh, barely.
We can bet money on this. I ran look for my jaw right there. See if you got it. Do that. Yeah, cause I can hit way harder. So you got that speed, you got this power. Bro, that speed.
That's speed.
Power. No speed, bro.
Yeah. Where you at? Oh. 50 feet? Isaiah. We got. What's how? 925? Real? 925? You got to. Damn. Hey, he snapped that motherfucker. Oh, the same. Oh, the same. The same. They cheating. Yeah, it's the same. Or not. Hey, he yacked that motherfucker. Hold on. Damn, they ganking you, bruh. You ain't hit. Smack so. What's that? 997? Ah.
Damn, the high said 99.7.
Yup. 997.
I said, you probably get the hardest. I'm on board. I don't fuck my hand up in one of these. Stop missing. Punch right through that motherfucker. That motherfucker hit the thing.
There it is.
Tell myself.
Ain't no way. Oh, shit. That motherfucker went up. That time.
Connected that time.
Yeah, that's it, baby boy.
Smack that motherfucker. 955?